We have Bob joining us.
Yeah.
But
I
in
got
Greenville,
the crew right here.
Yeah, wrong Carolina. This is in you're in South Carolina.
I
think you were in North Carolina.
Yeah, I am.
But this time, Bob, I'm not the one that confused it.
Thanks, brother. No problem.
Still cleaning the sidewalks.
Marissa, we are finally, because the sun finally hit this thing straight out, right? And now the temperatures are, what are we, about 36, 37 on the way up to 40, which is going to be beautiful for melting the snow initially. So the crew is out here, and it was ice before. So we've got the pitchforks that are going by to break it up initially. Pitchforks breaks it up nicely. Then you got the actual plastic shovel that just pushes everything off. So the problem is, you're looking at this sidewalk, looks really good. This is not snow. This is sleet and the freezing rain that came in last night. And it came down very hard at about 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock yesterday afternoon. I want you to look at the street. Still have some slush out there in the middle part. Tonight, our temperatures, once the sun sets, are going to fall quickly down below freezing. So, Marissa, these temperatures are going to get down to 12 degrees tomorrow morning. Remember, we got sleet, got a little snow on the ground. Models don't really handle that really well when you're talking about clear skies and lightning winds, because it just makes it colder. So 12 degrees will be the forecasted low for Greenville itself. You get outside of here, and you're talking -3 as a morning low tomorrow in northern Mississippi. People without power, that's going to be a big issue. But, Marissa, we've been watching this right now. It looks pretty good, right? People are out there, not a problem. In fact, this is the first time I've seen the sunshine since Colorado, if you can believe that, Marissa.
Yeah, well, we were waiting in Colorado, right, for some of the snow, and that's what everybody was talking about. But when it comes to where the snow has been, it's been far from the Rockies. Bob, you are one of the few, between our reporters and meteorologists in the field, you're in a very lonely category. Well, I guess, I don't know, maybe. You're above freezing, and you're one of the few. A lot of the temperatures are below freezing.
I feel great. I know, this feels great, and I feel bad for our people that are out there in Mississippi. And we had my daughter out there at Ole Miss yesterday talking about the power lines that were down and the trees. She did a good job. I mean, she's never had any formal training reporting, but listen to what she had to say.
Snow, it's just strictly ice, and a lot of the dorms, like, there's maybe 1 or 2 dorms that I know of that have power. Everything else is like pitch black, and the power, like, they have generators, but none of the outlets work. So, like, you can't charge your phone, you can't use the microwave. It's definitely not ideal over here, and they have no idea. They don't have an update on when they think it'll be back up.
Yeah, she did a great job. They cut out the part where she asked for money. Dad, can I have some more money? We need some sandwiches. Like, they did cut that out. I'm kidding. But no, they're doing all right at that point on the campus. So far, so good. But with the people without power, it's going to be obviously a big issue. But I'm saying right here, yesterday when I was talking to you, it was pure freezing rain coming down. This was caked up. Now you can see we're starting to do a little bit of melting. And like you said, you're right. We're about 36, 37 on the way up to 40. This is just going to totally refreeze up later on. Before this morning, I could do the whole slide. Now it's a little slushy. And this is exactly what we want to see. But we know the Arctic air mass is going to be locked and loaded every single morning between now and Friday. Probably going into the weekend as well, into the teens. So the Arctic blast is here to stay for at least the next 5, probably 7 days, you guys.
Yeah, I mean, we're looking at some of the ice totals, by the way, Bob. And when you look at the power outages, we're on 40,000 for South Carolina. I mean, faring quite well considering what we've seen in other spots. And your daughter, Sydney, right, in Oxford, talking about the ice there and just how devastating it was. I guess, too, though, we'll get melting today, but whatever melts could refreeze tomorrow. By midnight, we're back around 20 degrees.
Yeah, I think so. We're watching this, I mean, teens every single morning from now until Friday. It's just at the forecast level, that's not good. And that, in fact, everything that is going to melt right here, you can see it, it's starting to already. It's just melting. If we had the wind, it would dry the streets off a lot better, but we don't even have the wind right here. We've got the wind advisors in the mountains, but it's not transferring all the way down to right here. We're kind of in the foothills of South Carolina, the upstate, the way they call it the Blue Ridge Escarpment, just up to the north. We're not getting those winds yet. Maybe it picks up this afternoon to help dry things up, kind of blow it off a little bit. But right now, it's actually a beautiful day. 37 feels fantastic, Marissa.
It's warm compared to some of the other temperatures we've been looking at this morning, Bob. Are you picking up ice?
Yeah.
I'm just glad you didn't slip on live TV.
Listen, I know. Listen, I'm not going to do that. I played hockey, remember? But I'm looking at these. When you played as a kid out in the slush, and this is what you don't want to get gonged in the head with. This is not snow. This is. Never mind. Too many people watching. But yeah, that's what it's like. It's not snow. It's just pure ice.
Yeah. No more snowball fights because it would in fact be ice balls. All right, Bob, appreciate you standing out there in Greenville, South Carolina, with both the Carolinas dealing with a lot of that ice out of yesterday's storm. Okay.